Let's have a look at this AKAI CS-F11 deck that I acquired recently that will need rebelting. I've actually put some makeshift belts into it already. And it kind of works, but the counter belt's still missing. I haven't had a counter belt that I could put in there. The buttons are a bit iffy. The rewind and fast forward don't work. The motor works in there, but it's all solenoid operated and it does not quite work. I have put a makeshift flat belt into it, glued one together out of what I had for the right size, so it's a bit noisy. The motor works. This mechanism that does the fast forwarding and rewinding works. At the same time, I can't find a circuit for the speed adjustment for the main motor. Like I said, the button's a bit iffy, which I have to clean out again and see what happens. Yeah. The solenoids work now. Initially they didn't work. I'm not sure what happened for them to make them work again. It's a bit of a bother. So the outlet tyre would have to be replaced on it. I think there might be two on it. And let's put a more valuable tape in it and keep it playing while it's rolling. Yep, button's a bit iffy. No tape counter belt, so it's a bit iffy as well. But the VU meters are working, so there's sound coming through. I haven't got it connected to anything, and if I keep the button down, it all rolls. It's a bit more trouble than I was looking for, but I reckon I can get this one working as well. It's got separate volume adjustment for recording for left and right, which is what this lever is on the side. Dolby B, metal tapes normal, and C chrome tapes. Probably more like type 2 tapes, not really chrome. It's got a timer for recording and playing. Lights on these two buttons that it's supposed to have don't work either, and these buttons here, well, the play button works, stop button works, rewind and fast forward. While you can hear that motor engaging, there's nothing happening. I'll make a video of it like when I get the real belts and put them in and see what happens. Thanks for watching.